now this meeting, if you counted, I think not less than 4-5 meetings was held. Are you trying to say that only 4-5 meetings is enough? This problem is a very, very long pending issue, which takes a lot of time, lot of deliberation, lot of discussion among both the chief ministers. So I just wanted to tell you that first time ever I've seen both the honorable chief minister, they take pain so much, they take so much initiative on this issue of interstate boundary, where I never seen other chief ministers did that. I think this is the only occasion where both the chief ministers, they really spared their time, keep meeting, keep discussing, and even conducted joint inspection in those areas. Both the state government, once again, they will prepare and submit a detailed, comprehensive report, both the state government to the honorable chief ministers of both the state, at least maximum 3 days time. That task has been given to both the state government. Then once the report is ready, once the report is submitted to the respective chief ministers, again both the honorable chief minister will sit down for final agreement. That was the decision taken yesterday by both the honorable chief ministers. Waiting for the detailed report to be submitted by both the state government to both the honorable chief minister. Thereafter, immediately sitting will take place between both of them, and thereafter again they will fly over to Delhi for briefing, for discussing with the honorable home minister, and thereafter they will come back and declare or brief or press conference will be organized by both the honorable chief ministers. Well, because they have given time at least 3 days from today to both the state government to submit the detailed report. Thereafter, once the report is submitted to both the honorable chief ministers, then one more day, one more sitting will be held among themselves, and thereafter they will fly over to Delhi for meeting with the honorable Union Home Minister. The state government of Meghalaya, since since it happens of celebrating the golden jubilee of the statehood in the state of Meghalaya, from our side, in fact, that is our wish. But ultimately, as I said to you, this is not only our wishes, but both the state government, both the chief ministers has to sit down, has to discuss all the details again after receiving the detailed report from both the state government. A comprehensive report to both the honorable chief ministers. Immediately after that, both the chief ministers will sit down again based on the report to be submitted by both the state government, and thereafter they will fly over to Delhi, meeting with the honorable Union Home Minister, and thereafter they'll come back and maybe they will declare and they will have a joint official press conference.